What is happening? My name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you
to utilize cement, which is one of my favorite elements to work with because I just think you have so much creative flex with that you could just expand creativity to the next level.
I'm really excited about the next step in our DIY kitchen remodel because
we're going to raise up a manhole right there.
Carrying and leveling our concrete slab.
Hands down, this has got to be my favorite project so far.
You can find Rapid Set products at the Home Depot.
That's what I'm using the Rapid Set, the mortar mix.
Rapid Set Cemental, which is going to make this concrete countertop super quick because most of the time you have to wait 48 hours before you can even take forms off.
The blue one basically is like the best thing for
pretty much any concrete repair in a house. It's the duct tape of the cement world.
Here's what I need: cement, water, flow control, cement color, and a mixing tool, of course.
And if I forget to tell you how smooth this top is throughout the video, I'm gonna tell you now, this is smooth.
He's pouring it on top of the outer edge of the leveler that he's already laid.
Inside the product. This will help to avoid trapping air and getting air bubbles coming up.
Is all done. That was such a easy project when I look back on it.
So let's make something cool.